Hello. In this episode, we will talk about not developing GUI applications with Python 3.7 and VX Python. We will talk about a comparison between Python and C++. Because of job, I must learn C++. I have learned it 10 years ago, but I forgot everything about C++. It is changed now. I was using Visual Studio 2003 when I last programmed in C++. Okay, language comparison between C++ and Python. Let's see what is the difference between those two languages. Okay, let's open code blocks. Code blocks is a pretty shitty developing tool, but okay, it's okay for C++. It's very slow. It's more slower than Visual Studio. Okay, code blocks. Kill. Unfortunately, my computer is very old. The purpose of making all those videos is to buy a new computer. I need a new computer. Okay, new. We must make a project. Okay, Windows Console project. Where is console? Ooh. Okay, console. GUI. Console application. GNU GCC compiler. Okay, now new file. Okay, no, not new file. First of all, we must type include IOStream for our file. Fortunately, the editor itself make this code. Okay, this you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines to type hello world. Open Python. Open idle. The built-in Python tool. Okay, we say this. Okay, it says hello world. Okay, we now try C++. Okay, it says hello world, but in more seconds. As we see, Python is far more faster and it needs 7 times less code. Okay, let's try loop. Okay, we'll make a new file. As we see, we don't need no import in Python for this code. We made a mistake. The Python 3.7 needs parentheses for this. And our code types this. Let's try this in C++ for okay, we must declare for in this for in now int e and we must curly brackets. Okay, let's try this code now. We must save it. It's not working because the compiler something's wrong. Okay, we didn't type the S. It is not working. The loop is not working. So we must close code blocks and then open it again. Because compiler is putting the old code, and we must reopen everything. Okay. Something's wrong. Okay, we'll okay. Process didn't type anything. There's something wrong with this code. Okay, let's see if we coded this properly. We put the brackets correctly. Put the brackets correctly. Okay, we pocketed these brackets correctly. Do we have more brackets? Do we need? Okay. The process won't print hello world. There is something wrong. The process won't work. It won't type. Okay, let's try with this code from the internet. Okay. Okay, let's try this code from the internet. The code from the internet works. What is wrong? Wrong! It is a bad language. What is wrong? I have too many curly brackets. I hate curly brackets. Okay. This is the difference between Python and this shit. Okay. As you can see, the Python code is better. It's far more faster, simpler. I don't know why is C++ so old-fashioned. As you can see, we are using only 2 lines of code, and we are using 3 statements to make same code. Okay. It's very hard. It is time consuming. To program stuff in C++, you need 5 or 6 times more time. Yes, of course, the programs in C++ are very fast, but this is slow. Okay, why is that? Because C++ always declare a function. For example, in Python we will def main we will use this code. This is like programming in C. Def main for it's you must declare a function for everything in C++. We can make our own function called void print The Python is made in C++, but C++ is very old language. It is 28 years old language, and you have libraries to overcome that. But when will you learn C++? In 10 years? Okay. This is nice comparison. Let's see what is the speed of execution of programs. Import time t. Okay, our code is executed in 0.13 seconds, and this program is executed in faster time. C++ is definitely faster. The compiler is faster 2 times than our code. For example, we will see a real fastness if we add 1000 to this code, and we will add 1000. This code is executed with 1000 loops at 3 seconds and 3.4 seconds. Okay, we will try this code in Python. Okay, this code is executed in 28 seconds. The C++ is 6 times faster. It's irony. It is 6 times more slower to develop in C++, but the execution of C++ is 6 times faster. Okay, but what we will do now? C++ is definitely more faster, and it creates more smaller executable files. So, what are the advantages? C++ is a very old language, and it is very slow to learn, but it is very fast for compilers. And that's why all games are made in C++ or C# or Java. The compiler is better in C++, and the compiler in Python is worse. Python is more better programming language. It is nice programming language, tidy, but C++ is like a dirty fighter. It is very dirty, very, but you can, it's dirty fast. The main problem is not in language, but in compiler of Python. The Python compiler is very bad, but the Python language is superior to C++. This is because the industry doesn't want Python. It likes C++ and likes all mainstream languages. For example, to develop C++ program you need 1 week, but to develop Python program you need 1 day. 1 day. The C++ programmers are overcoming this by using the libraries or copying and pasting codes, pre-built snippets. There is a function in Python called with. We will declare this function now. Printer. Okay. As we can see, the Python program is very slower and slower. Okay. It's very slow. We'll add this. The code is executed very slow, but we will add this to code. Okay, that's that for now.